Good evening, Chef Lorenzo here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a little bit of jerk pork. Here I have all my seasoning lined up. I have my black pepper, my all-purpose seasoning, my paprika, my seasoning salt, my garlic powder, a little bit of browning, and some soy sauce. I have my pork shoulder here, pork shoulder loin. And here I have my homemade jerk seasoning, jerk marinade, which I sell basically $8 per bottle. And the bottles are a good size. I have my onion, my thyme, my scotch bonnet pepper, my garlic, and my pimento seeds. So first I'll start off by, I basically wash the pork. It's been washed, it's been cleaned with vinegar and lemon. So now I'm going to start off by cutting up my scotch bonnet pepper. Dice them up in very small pieces. Basically, you don't really have to use 2 scotch bonnet pepper. I just love pepper. I love the pepper, and I believe that basically if you're gonna have jerk pork, I don't believe there's different levels or different ways of cooking jerk pork. I believe it's supposed to be extremely spicy. It's supposed to be spicy, it's supposed to be flavorful, it's supposed to be delicious. Let's cut up the next pepper here. Nice and small. Sprinkle it on a little bit. And then I have my onion here. I'm gonna dice my onion in about half. I'm not gonna use too much onion, so half is good enough on a large onion. Cut it up a little bit here. Some small pieces. There. Onions are diced up nice and small. And sprinkle it. There you go. Sprinkle it on. There we go. That's on as well. Now I have the garlic. I have 3 cloves of garlic for basically 1 pork shoulder blade. I love everything I cook. I normally use a lot of garlic because garlic is really good for you. It helps you thin out your blood, and it's good for you overall. Adds a little bit of flavor to your meat that you prepare as well. Dice up a little small. Flatten it a little bit to get a little bit of the juices in it. Get it open up. Sprinkle that on it as well. I have a little pimento seeds right here. Not too much. There we go. A little West Indian thyme. Cut it up a little bit. Sprinkle that there on there as well. I'm gonna give my hands a little wash. Wash up my hands a little bit. Take that off. And then now that I have I cut up a little bit of onion, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, garlic, sprinkle pimento seed on my pork shoulder. Now I'm gonna start by seasoning it. I have a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Sprinkle a little bit of seasoning on here. Well, not really a little bit, but get a little bit of seasoning. That should be enough. A little bit of seasoning salt. A little bit of onion powder. some paprika. Sprinkle some black pepper. Now that we have all the dry seasoning in, what I'm going to do from here now, get a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Add a little bit more oil. At this point now, what I want to do, I want to take a little bit of browning. The browning is a tricky thing, you don't want to put too much. So you basically want to sprinkle probably about a capful. The browning is what gives it the nice dark color. That's about a cap and a half full of browning. And then I'll take my soy sauce. I'll sprinkle a little bit of my soy sauce on. 2 capfuls. And then I have my homemade jerk marinade here. Take my homemade jerk marinade. Just add some on. There you go, that should be enough. And then just rub it in, massage it in, mix it up. Nice. And then, boom, there you go. That's finished. From here, I'll take it and I'll let it sit in the fridge for probably about an hour or so. About an hour, let it sit in the fridge for an hour. Let it marinate, and then I'll take it.